Frustrated trying to figure out how to get Microsoft Word on your shiny new MacBook Air? Well, ditch the paper piles, because today, we're making it super simple. First, head over to Microsoft's official website, that's Microsoft.com. You can use Safari, Chrome, or any browser you prefer here. You'll see different Microsoft 365 subscription options. These subscriptions usually include Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Take a look at the personal, family, or business plans to see which one fits your needs and budget. Click on the option that you want and proceed to purchase and create an account. Once you've picked a plan, you will create a Microsoft account or log into an existing one. This account is what you'll use to manage your subscription and access Word. After subscribing, you'll find a download button for the Microsoft 365 installer. Click that to download the file to your MacBook Air. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions. It is as simple as a few clicks and agreements. Once installed, find Word in your Applications folder, or search for it using Spotlight by pressing Command and the spacebar, and that is all there is to it. Alternatively, if you don't want a paid subscription, remember you can access a free, basic version of Word online through your Microsoft account. It might not have all the features, but it's perfect for quick edits and document viewing. Now you can create and edit documents with ease.